Pepperoni pizza recipe. To have an authentic pizza making experience, you will need the following ingredients and equipment. Ingredients. 1. Fresh pizza dough. You can make it from scratch or buy it pre-made. 2. Tomato sauce, homemade or store-bought. 3. Mozzarella cheese, shredded or fresh. 4. Pepperoni toppings, thinly sliced. 5. Olive oil. 6. Salt and pepper. 7. Flour, for dusting the surface and preventing sticking. Equipment. 1. Pizza stone or baking sheet. 2. Pizza peel or a flat surface like a cutting board or baking sheet to transfer the pizza. 3. Rolling pin or hands to stretch the dough. 4. Pizza cutter or sharp knife. 5. Oven mitts. Once you have all the ingredients and equipment ready, you can start by preheating your oven to 450 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit with the pizza stone or baking sheet inside. Next, dust a flat surface with flour and roll or stretch out the dough to the desired thickness. Sprinkle shredded mozzarella cheese on top of the sauce, followed by the thinly sliced pepperoni. Drizzle some olive oil over the pizza, sprinkle some salt and pepper, and transfer the pizza onto the preheated pizza stone or baking sheet using a pizza peel or flat surface. Use oven mitts to remove the pizza from the oven and let it cool for a few minutes before slicing and serving. You can also experiment with other toppings like mushrooms, bell peppers, onions, and olives to create your favorite pizza. Cooking like a pro, the step-by-step process of making a pepperoni pizza. Sure, here's a step-by-step process for making a pepperoni pizza from scratch. Ingredients. 1. 1½ cups warm water. 2. 1 tablespoon sugar. 3. 1 tablespoon active dry yeast. 4. 1 tablespoon salt. 5. 3½ to 4 cups all-purpose flour. 6. 1/4 cup olive oil. 7. 1 cup tomato sauce. 8. 2 cups shredded mozzarella cheese. 9. 30 to 40 slices of pepperoni. 10. 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder. 11. 1/4 teaspoon onion powder. 12. Salt and pepper to taste. Equipment. 1. Mixing bowl. 3. Measuring cups and spoons. 4. Rolling pin. 5. Pizza stone or baking sheet. 6. Pizza peel or flat surface. 7. Oven mitts. 8. Pizza cutter. Instructions. 1. Make the pizza dough. In a large mixing bowl, combine warm water, sugar, and yeast. 1. Let it sit for 5 minutes until it becomes frothy. 1. Add in salt and 3 cups of flour and mix until a sticky dough forms. 1. Gradually add in more flour until the dough is smooth and elastic. 1. Let the dough rise for about an hour. 2. Preheat the oven. Preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit with a pizza stone or baking sheet inside for at least 30 minutes. 3. Prepare the toppings. Mix the tomato sauce with garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and pepper to taste. 3. Set aside. 3. Shred the mozzarella cheese and slice the pepperoni into thin rounds. 4. Roll out the dough. Once the dough has risen, punch it down and knead it briefly. 4. Use a rolling pin to roll it out on a floured surface to your desired thickness. 5. Add the toppings. Spread the seasoned tomato sauce over the dough, leaving a small border around the edges. 5. Sprinkle the shredded mozzarella cheese on top of the sauce, followed by the sliced pepperoni. 6. Bake the pizza. Transfer the pizza onto the preheated pizza stone or baking sheet using a pizza peel or flat surface. 6. Bake for 10 to 15 minutes until the crust is golden brown and the cheese is melted and bubbly. 7. Serve the pizza. Use oven mitts to remove the pizza from the oven and let it cool for a few minutes before slicing and serving. Enjoy your homemade pepperoni pizza.